and welcome to Art Factory. It's been a while since we've seen each other, maybe like a whole week. And the last time we were together, we did the St. Patrick's Day Extravaganza Art Week. But guess what? This Sunday is Easter! So what else are we gonna do but have an Easter holiday extravaganza? So we have a whole nother week together with me and Mr. Jacob doing some awesome Easter crafts. Now, for the first time ever, joining us for 2 holiday weeks is the same bird. It's Gerald, our green bird. He's here for March and he got a 2-for-1 special. Hey, Gerald. You can't believe how lucky you are? The other birds are super jealous. What? You were talking to the other birds? Like Owen and the lovebirds? Oh my goodness, that brings back some great memories. Even our winter bird? Windy? Wow, that is amazing. But yep, you're our first bird ever that gets 2 weeks of holiday specials. You're really excited about Easter? I am too. I love celebrating Jesus and hunting Easter eggs. You know, I love how green you are, nice and festive, but you aren't always the first animal that people think of when they think of Easter. Do you know what it is? You do? That's right. It's a bunny. We think of a bunny during Easter when we think of animals, and that gives me a great idea for our craft today. I'm thinking about making a bunny rabbit paper bag puppet. Let's see what we're going to need. We're obviously going to need a paper bag. We're going to need white ears for our bunny, though you could use brown or really any color that you'd like. A nice yellow belly. Some pink for inside of the ears. A little pink nose. And I made some eyeballs, but if you got some googly eyes, you can use that too. And we can't forget our handy dandy glue. Let's see how it's made.
First, we're going to start by making those floppy ears. Take your white ear pieces of paper and put some glue in the middle to glue down the pink inner ear. Once they're done, take your paper bag and flip it over. Then, take your glue and glue it to the top of your bag. Or, I guess it could be the bottom. And make sure they stick up over the edge so that you can see those ears when you flip your puppet over. Sometimes you need a little extra glue to make sure they're nice and secure. Flip your bag over and it's time to put on the belly. You're going to put some glue in the middle of your bag and take the pink oval and attach it. Next, it's time for the nose and the eyes. You can use paper eyes, googly eyes, any kind of eyes. I used a marker to make whiskers and a mouth. And voila! Hoppy Bunny it is.
Okay, that looks really good. Let's check it out. Hello, I am Buster Bunny. Look at that! It's my bunny puppet, all ready for Easter. Let's show Gerald. Gerald, check out my bunny.
Hey Gerald, I'm Buster the Bunny, ready for Easter.
What do you mean that's just my voice? That's clearly Buster the Bunny.
Clearly Buster the Bunny.
I'm not fooling anybody, but he's cute anyway. I'll take it. Well guys, I can't wait to see your bunnies getting us started for this
Easter Extravaganza Art Weekend.
Until then, it's Miss Marissa saying, see you next time.